Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to very quickly talk about how to add the SaaS configurator packages into your SaaS funnel. By that, what I mean is if you have a SaaS account like this, you'll definitely have the SaaS configurator, and these are your packages. Okay, so these are the packages you want to sell. Basically, you want people to subscribe for one of these, and they'll get their accounts created, and they can get onboarded, and all those things can happen on autopilot. Cool. So these packages need to be added to your SaaS funnel for people to be able to purchase them from you, right? So this is the agency level. And my idea is I have a sub account here for my agency, and this sub account will have the funnel under sites, right? So let's say I'll have a funnel here let's create the SaaS funnel later, but this is the whole idea, okay? In order for this to happen, we need to make sure that on the agency level, we have Stripe connected under settings. So this is the agency level. We need to have Stripe connected here. Okay. And the same Stripe account that you can see over here needs to be connected on that sub account as well, the SaaS sub account. Okay. So this is the SaaS sub account. That same Stripe account needs to be connected here under settings and under integrations. Okay. Here. So if we go under Stripe, you can see, and you need to verify that this is the same account, because I'll tell you why. Because when the SaaS configurator is set up, the SaaS products will be created on Stripe as well. And that Stripe account will be connected to this sub account, and the funnels will be able to pull those products out of the Stripe account from this same Stripe account. That's the whole idea. Okay, so let's go to our sites and let's create a funnel called SaaS, or let's just create it one from template. Okay, I want to select this template here. I can just hit continue and get this template imported to my sub account. And that will obviously open up in, I don't know why it went to the agency level. Let's go back. So this is the sub account. I just imported the SaaS funnel template, and I'm going to use that. Now let's go to sites again. And this is the funnel I just imported. What I need to do now is let's just look at the preview real quick. Okay, if I hit sign up, it should send me to a form, and then I should be able to select the products on checkout here. But first up, I need to connect these products to this funnel, right? So I'll go to products under home, because the form is on the home page. That's why on home, I'll let you go to products and add products. Click here and hit import from Stripe. And this will give you all the SaaS packages you have created under SaaS configurator, because it's the same Stripe account. That's why it's that important to have the same Stripe account connected. So this is the $97 per month package I have. Setup fees not needed. I'll just import it as it is. Okay, so the name of the package was starter. Okay, I'll just save it and I'll quickly show you what package it imported. So the name of the package is starter. Let's go to the agency level, go to SaaS configurator. This is the package that I just imported for 97. It has an annual package as well, but you know how to import that. So professional ultimate, these are the next two packages I'll import, and then I can add them to the funnel. Okay, cool. So let's go back to our funnel. Let's go to the SaaS template, products, add product, and then hit import from Stripe. So I already did the 97 per month. I'll just do the 197 per month as well. That's the professional package. Okay, cool. I imported that, and going back, I'll just do the same. Sorry, not create a product. Don't create a new product. Just import it from Stripe, because it needs to be the same product for the automation to work. Okay. Cool. So where's the 497 package? That's the one. That's the top tier package I have under my SaaS configurator, and it's called Premium. Okay, once I'm done importing all these, I'll go back to sites. I will go back to my funnel, go to products. Now it will let you use those products that you just imported. So the price will be 97 per month. Now I'm adding that product. I just imported it. Now I need to add those to the funnel. Okay, so professional, same thing, 197 per month. And again, I'll just do premium price add it. So these three products from the SaaS configurator are now added to this funnel. Now let's go and test it. I just want to show you that the products were successfully added to this funnel. So I'll just say, okay, so just doing a test, nothing fancy. Now this checkout page should have all these products. Okay, cool. So this professional one has a 14-day trial. That's why it's 0. The starter plan also has a trial plan. That's why it's 0. This premium one doesn't have any 14-day trial or anything. That's why it's 497. You have to pay it now and here and now. Okay, but these two will be just free today, so you won't be charged anything today because it has a 14-day trial. After 14 days, you'll be charged. So it's simple. And then once you get this done, you'll get an account created for your against the information that you submitted here. So it's simple, and I hope this was useful, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.